good? I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to use ReadyMag Website Builder. ReadyMag is a platform that you can use to create a landing page, an e-shop, or a business website. And the beautiful thing about ReadyMag is you can get started for completely free, as they offer a free plan which will allow you to publish one website, as you can see right here. The only pullback is your website can only have 10 pages. So this is perfect if you are looking for a platform to create a portfolio website or to create a landing page. All you'll need to do is go onto readymag.com, and by the way, you can see some examples of their websites right here. So let's check out their landing page examples. You can see how their landing pages look. So if I were to select one of them, I'll be redirected to a new page, and from here you can see a preview of how this landing page templates look. So all you need to do is go onto readymag.com. Then from there you can tap on Try ReadyMag, and you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to sign up using your Google account, or you can sign up using your email address. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this question section. What do you do? And from here, you can select any one of these options. So for example, I'm just going to be selecting journalist for this example. Then you can see right there, what are you going to design? And for this example, I'm going to be designing a portfolio. After you have done that, you'll tap on I accept, then you'll tap on join. Once you have tapped on join, you're going to give it a few seconds, and then you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Now, once on your dashboard, what I want you to do next is you can either choose to create it from scratch by tapping on the plus right here, but what I would recommend you do is select templates. By selecting templates, you will see numerous templates that you can choose from. So you can tap on See All Templates. After you have tapped on See All Templates, you can scroll down until you see one of your liking. And by the way, you can see the different categories right here. So we could select portfolio, and we can see the different portfolio templates. If it is a case that you wanted to create a landing page, you can see the landing page templates. You can also use this platform to create e-commerce websites, as you can see right here. Now let's say, for example's sake, I were to select this portfolio landing page, this portfolio example better yet. I'm going to tap on Open in Editor. Once you have tapped on Open in Editor, you'll be redirected to this page. And you can see how it looks right here. And for example, if you would like to preview it, you can tap on the eye icon in the bottom right hand corner. So let's do that. You can see how it looks right there. Now to start editing, you're going to tap on the pencil. Then if you would like to edit the text, what I recommend you do is tap on this icon in the bottom left hand corner that says layers. By doing that, you'll be able to select the section that you would like to edit. So let's say, for example, I want to edit this text. All I would have to do is tap right where I see it right here. I have over 5 years. I would simply tap right there. Then you'll see that the box is selected, and you'll see all of the different editing options right here on the picture in the right hand column. So for example, you could tap on the capital A at the top to edit. After you have done that, from there you can start typing out whatever you want. So you can select any section you want and you can start typing out. So let's say, for example, I wanted to change the year. I could change the year right here. And you could type out whatever information you want. Also, if it is a case that, for example, you would like to add a link or so on, you can do that quite easily. All you need to do is go over to the right hand menu option, and from there you could select the text, then tap on the link icon right here, and then you'll be able to paste in your link. You can either paste in a website URL, or you could link it back to an email address or a phone number, as you can see right here. And some other editing options that you have, you can choose to align the text. You can also tap right here and you'll get access to select the font style that you want and the font size, as you can see right here. You can also change the box color and so on. So you do have quite a few editing options, as you can see right there. And if it is a case that you would like to edit the photo, all you'll need to do is tap on the current photo right there. After you have done that, you're going to see the editing options once more. And from here, if you would like to change it, you could tap on picture, then you could tap on replace, and from there you could upload a photo from your device. So you can choose a photo right there, or you could paste in the URL that you would like to replace the photo with. After doing that, if you would like to do any form of editing by cropping the photo or so on, you could do that. You can also add a link, and if you would like to edit the animation, you can do that. So you could tap on animation right there. Now, if it is a case that you like to add an element that you don't see, you're going to tap on the plus in the bottom left-hand corner. After you have done that, you can see all of the widgets that you can add. So you could add a text box if you want. If it is a case that you like to add a video, you could tap on video. After you have tapped on video, from there, you could simply pull the video box where you want, and you can also adjust the size of the video box. So you could adjust the size of the video box right here. After you have adjusted the size, you will see the option to add in the video link. So you could paste in a YouTube link or a Vimeo link right there. After you have done that, you could tap on the plus once more. And if it is a case that you would like to add picture or anything, you can add it from this section. You can also add a slideshow. You could also add a form where you could collect person's email address, and you can also add music right there. Once everything is finished and to your liking, all you'll need to do now, you can simply tap on OK. Then from there, we could tap on publish. We could tap on preview, better yet. Once you have tapped on preview, you will see how it looks. And if it is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on publish and your website will now be live. Also, if it is a case that you'd like to privately share it, you could tap on share right here, and then from there you could copy a link and you can share it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to use ReadyMag. And by the way, if you would like to get an upgrade, their plan starts off at $36 per month. And for $36 per month, you'll be able to publish unlimited websites, and you'll get 50,000 views per month without branding, and 5 websites with custom domains. You can go up to their business plan, which starts off at $58 per month, and you'll be able to also publish unlimited websites, and you'll be able to get 75,000 views per month without branding. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.